How to fix Twitch error 2000. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply clear your browser cache. Open up the Chrome and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on this three dot, hover over history, then select open history page. After that, simply tap on delete browsing data. Now set the time range to all time. You want to go ahead and simply select cookies and other site data and cache images and files and uncheck everything else. After that, tap on delete data and confirm it. After that, you want to go ahead and reset your network cache. To do that, you want to simply type in CMD in the search bar and make sure you tap on run as administrator. Now in searcher, the first command you're gonna have to type is ipconfig space /flush DNS. After that, press enter. Now once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply type in net ss space winsock reset. Once you have done that, press on enter one more time, and just like that, restart your computer. This usually fixes the Twitch 2000 error instantly. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.